Have you ever been watching swimming at the Olympics and thought, have swimmers spent so much time in the water that their bones are squishy now? The question is not as crazy as you think, and the answer might make you a better swimmer. Swimming is a low-impact and non-weight-bearing sport. You don't have the constant weight of your body pushing down on your bones or joints. You're not constantly crashing into the ground either, the way you do when you're running. This is obviously good for your bones. Or is it? In college, the physical trainers had a joke that as soon as a swimmer got out of the water, we would get injured. The joke started because so many of us got injured doing other things or playing other sports outside of the water. And there is a scientific explanation for this. Athletes who participate in weight-bearing sports have significantly higher bone mineral density than swimmers, but weaker bones don't make them stretchy. So what is going on? Why are swimmers so flexible? What you're really seeing here are not squishy bones. The real answer is in the ligaments and tendons. In order for the joints to be overly stretchy, the ligaments and muscle tendons which stabilize those joints must also be stretchy. Swimming attracts a specific kind of naturally flexible people. Being flexible helps swimmers get into the positions that other people cannot get to. This is called having full range of motion. Flexible joints allow for better, more efficient angles for the hands and feet. These angles create strategic pressure in the water to move forward faster. Some people, however, are flexible and cannot get into these positions when swimming. Why is that? Being flexible doesn't guarantee you will be a fast swimmer, and you can be a fast swimmer without having flexible joints. In fact, swimmers were shown to have reduced internal and external shoulder rotation compared to the control group in one study. Sufficient strength in main and complementary muscles is necessary to pull specific bones. The most bendy swimmers in the water are people who are both flexible and strong. The question then is, does swimming make you flexible, or people born that way are more likely to become swimmers? Genetics plays a big role on how flexible you are. Swimming doesn't seem to make you flexible, but it does make you more mobile. Swimming makes many muscles stronger, which help you get into more mobile positions. However, swimming is primarily cardio. It will make your heart and lungs stronger. But to create even more mobility and stronger bones, swimmers should do dryland. The American College of Sports Medicine recommends 10 to 20 minutes of impact activity 3 times a week. You have to be careful though. You don't want physical trainers making jokes about swimmers. So here's my suggestion. Do dryland with me. Go to this 20-minute stretching routine or click here to see what other dryland videos we have on this channel. See you there. Swim fast.